Welcome, today I am with AirPods Max and I'll show you how you can open Equalizer of these headphones. So at the first you have to open the settings, next simply scroll down right here and find the music application. In my case it appears right here. So click on them once and then just go for the EQ. And here we can pick the default EQ setup. Like for example, I would like to pick maybe the acoustic. And after that we can just go back, but you have to remember that this equalizer settings only works with the Apple Music application. So if you are using the Spotify or YouTube Music or Tidal, it's not going to work. So we have to remember that. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.